Good afternoon, students. Today we'll discuss about abbreviations and acronyms, use of abbreviations and acronyms while note making. So, we have done note making earlier, and in note making, I've told you to use abbreviated forms and acronyms, and how we can make our notes using abbreviations and acronyms, as I tell you. And students often think that note making is very difficult, but dear students, it's very simple. Like, it's as simple as you message your friends. So while messaging, you write abbreviated forms, and similarly we use abbreviated form while making note making. And we today I'll tell you some commonly used abbreviations and acronyms. Okay, so I'll start with some commonly used abbreviations and acronyms. Abbreviations and acronyms, right? I want to tell what is acronym. Okay, so what is acronym? Acronym is a word made up from the first letter of the names of something. Acronym is a word made up of, from the first letter of the names of something, the name of something, especially an organization, especially an organization. For example, UNESCO. So, an abbreviation is a short word. Again, abbreviation is a short word or expression. Example, DR for doctor and professor for professor. Right. So, we can ourselves abbreviate words in different ways. So it's not necessary to use some suggested abbreviated forms. We can ourselves make or use our abbreviated forms, like by using, we can abbreviate it words in different ways, like by using only the few letters of the word, by using only the few letters of the word. For example, first of all, I will take the word abbreviation and I'll write ABBR, then computer, COMP, then representative, REP dot. Likewise, we can make our abbreviated forms of a particular word using only few letters of the words. Okay, rest will leave. Then point number 2, by using the first few letters and the last letter of the word. By using the first few letters and the last letter like government, and its abbreviated form is GOV. These alphabet are first letters, and then at last we'll add T, government, and in this way we have taken the last word of the word also. And earlier GOV is the first few letter of the word. And example number 2, department, DEPARTMENT. N-T. So we'll take D-E-P and then the last alphabet T. Afterwards, we'll take assistant. Assistant, and its abbreviated form is ASTT. This is abbreviated form. This can be the abbreviated form of assistant, right? So now, third point for it is, next is by dropping all or most of the words of the vowel in the word. By dropping either all or most of the words of the vowel in the word. Likewise, management. I'll take first example. Management, and its abbreviated form can be or may be MNGMNT. So I have deleted all the vowels MANATEMENT. So what I did, I deleted all the vowels from management, and the rest of the alphabet I have written. So in this way I have formed its abbreviated form. And second one is frequent. In this word frequent, I will not remove all the vowels. So I'll write FREQUNT. I've deleted only one E. And then last but not the least, external. So I'll write EXTNL. Again, I have removed both these two E and A, these vowels I have removed, and I made it external, right? And the second method is we can also use conventional symbols in our notes, right? So while attempting this question, while making notes after writing title, we use abbreviated forms of some words because these are our personal notes. So we can use abbreviated forms and symbols also. So now I'll tell about symbols. We can also use conventional symbols in our notes, like equals to. This is the symbol of equals to, right? So I'll write is equal to or means as the same. Is equal to or means the same as. Second, then we'll make first equals to and then we'll cut it. So what will it become? Is not equal to. Is not. And third one is because, right? So next, third one is by adding certain kinds of words. By adding certain kinds of words, we can shorten sentences, right? For example, articles, auxiliaries, verb, relative pronouns, conjunctions. Some commonly now we'll talk about some commonly used abbreviations. Some commonly used symbols. Some commonly used symbols, okay? So I'll tell you about symbols. Like first is W, it means with. Second is, see how interesting, this symbol is used for man and male. Man and for male. Then third one is for, see, very interesting, this is for woman or female. And then last not the least is for this leads to. Now I'll tell you some commonly used abbreviations. Some commonly used abbreviations. And see this very important and very interesting thing. First of all, I'll write C19. It means 19th century. 19th century. Then I'll take another one is CD means could. Instead of could, you should write CD. And one more, instead of would, you should write WD is would. Then you write green color I'll take, and then EDN. EDN means addition. Then plus afterwards take pink. I'll take pink for you, and then info. Info means information. Afterwards, okay, I'll take white one for you, and PP means pages. Then, sorry, P means page. Then we'll take, okay, shall I use this side? Why not? I'll use this side also. Next one I'll take and I'll write CH for chapter. Then I'll take and para. You all know these things, so that's why I told that making notes is not very difficult thing. It's very simple and you can score full marks in it. Then I'll take one and the next is NB. See, NB. NB means again NB means notice this or important. Notice this important. So in this way we can use lot many abbreviated forms. And one more thing which I tell you is by using numbers or figures we can abbreviate our things also. By using our points we can abbreviate it by using numbers and points. By using numbers or figures. Like for example 6 meter, 70 kg, etc. That's all for the day. And as usual, good day. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.